Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And you might have seen a video that I shared on a DIY for Betty Boop. I am making a Betty Boop creation, and in that video that I am referring to, I was drawing out the plan, what I want inside of this box here for Betty Boop. So being that I need two doors, a double door to go up there because there are going to be two floors. This is my idea of a door, a double door. So what I did was I took an old case of a diskette. I'm not sure if you do remember, that was way before the flash drives and the floppy disks, or maybe at the same time that we used to use floppy disks. But anyway, there was a diskette, it was squared, and this is the case. So I had two of these, and notice that it has this little snap thing there. Look at that, how it keeps it closed. So I took this one and I cut it, being that it's plastic and it's pretty, like, it's thin, so I was able to cut it with the scissors with no problem. And I ended up with this here. So I took a gray marker, a Sharpie marker, this one is black, but I took a gray one and I made lines there. Notice that the case already had some lines of its own, which is good because it makes the door more interesting. But what I did was, with the gray Sharpie, the silver Sharpie, I made these lines here. And I might add something shiny to the handles. So the handles are just there so that I know where to place my little hardware, knobs or whatever it is that I put there. Now this here, this little border, I got from one of these note cards. I got a whole bunch of these at a thrift store, at my favorite thrift store, and I knew that I could use it for something eventually. So all I did was I cut out this little part here with the edges, and I came up with that. So this is going to be at the top of the door like this, and then I have another one which will be at the step of the door like this. So that is going to be the door that's going to match this one here in the picture. The rest will come later. You see a balcony there, and you see picture frames on the walls and two other doors. That'll come later. This is all about the door here. Okay? So that door is going to be perfect for this area right there. So all I needed was a Sharpie, some scissors, and this case, plus the notepad. Now I'm going to show you, I have another case here. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to cut it with the scissors so that you can see how easy it is. I'm going to cut this part because I want to keep this. And this might be the door that I use. I like this color better. So why don't we cut it here. This is not a hard plastic to cut with scissors. Okay, so you see what I'm saying? So I have another door just like that one in green, and notice these lines that it already has. They are just perfect. They make the door more interesting. And I'm keeping this here because this is great for a door. So I think this is the one that I'm going to use. So I have to get that silver Sharpie and do the same thing that I did here. I have to do it here. So this is probably going to be my door. Let's see how it looks with this border here. I think I like the green better. Yeah, okay. So I just need the silver Sharpie and it's going to look like this. So stay tuned because I will keep you posted on the progress of my Betty Boop DIY. Thank you for your time and thank you so much for watching.